I think this will be a step forward to a ceasefire if Russia really stops attacking Ukrainian infrastructure. But to be honest, I hardly believe it will be long-lasting. This is unacceptable, because it is obvious that it's aiming at weakening Ukraine, Ukrainian army, and to restart an offensive from the beginning. That's why I'm thinking that we cannot accept this condition under any circumstances, because it will only lead to the weak army and us being less ready for the next attack, which is imminent.
Talking about peace with such people will lead to nothing in the future. So the answer to the question whether it will help, my answer is no. We've seen already ceasefires for 30, 60, 90 days in the past, starting from 2014, and unfortunately, they didn't bring any good. This is a demand will do no good. They will take a break. Their military machine is working on high level, round the clock. They produce a lot of equipment. As for the manpower, they never spare. This will give them an opportunity to regroup and to start new attacks on new regions. It will do no good.
Хорошо, вечер.